Ghana is where everything is happening right now in Africa.
Everybody checking my style, I gonna come for you.
Now we're here with the Renaissance man. His name is KOD, CEO of 1957 fashion clothing line, founder of Rhythms on the Runway, and of course, he's a media expert, the Renaissance man. I'm here with KOD. Now, we're here to talk about fashion and the lifestyle here in Ghana in respect to what happened on the Rhythms on the Runway.
It was an amazing event. Usually Rhythms has people from different walks of life, especially fashion designers and musicians from the diaspora as well,
Right.
being part of it. It's more of an African story and Africans in the diaspora. But as a result of the kind of year we've all had because of COVID, we decided to do 100% GH this year, to look right from within. And it was meant to be a very small event, but in the end, I think we had about the biggest cast of models and technicians and technical people working on the event, and it was an amazing event. Yeah,
Nice.
It was an amazing. It's a measure of fashion and music for those who are new to Rhythms on the Runway. So Rhythms on the Runway, Rhythms representing the music, and of course the runway, the fashion aspect of the event.
It's a perfect concept, and also it is what I like about Rhythms on the Runway is that it depicts the authenticity of what the Ghanaian brand is really
100%.
about.
That's very, very important to us.
Very important, right?
We essentially want to portray what Ghana is all about, and then also give a platform to, other people from the continent and
Nice.
Brothers and sisters in the diaspora as well,
Right.
to bring back home what they have there. So it's a win-win situation for people of Black origin.
Yes. Extremely high-end fashion. I saw. What are the designers that you think would create that essence when it comes to the authentic Ghanaian high fashion in respect to the identity of the lifestyle?
As in the kind of designers?
Yes.
Oh, of course. I mean, Ghana has really grown in terms of what we have in our fashion space. Ophelia Crossland happens to be my wife as well.
Oh, nice.
Undoubtedly, one of the finest fashion designers we have. Atutete, Christy Brown, my sister-in-law, Velma. She has amazing accessories, for that woman going places as well. She's had the opportunity of showing her clothes in England and different parts of the world as well. Ophelia represents Swarovski in West Africa. So,
Nice.
we have quite a number of major labels who are doing very well in Ghana and different parts of the continent.
It is really a nice blend of fashion, and of course, the music is what everything is really about.
Yeah.
Actually, you would interpret what the fashion is really about when it comes to what the Rhythms on the Runway is really about.
I mean, as African people, there's no way we'd celebrate without looking elegant, the regal aspect of everything that we are. And of course, it always comes with our music as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now, what should we expect from Rhythms on the Runway in respect to the diaspora and in the coming years?
Well, let me do a flashback to last year when we had the Year of Return. Now, what we did was we went to the Christiansborg Castle, Usu Castle. That's the same place that our brothers and sisters were taken to, the Western world and enslaved. So after 400 years, we've gone past that history. We decided to go back to that same Usu Castle. The stage was actually made out of broken glasses.
Woo!
Yes, it was made out of broken glasses. And it was meant to tell the story about how far we've come, the fact that we've broken away from our past. It's something that we've experienced, but then it doesn't define us.
Absolutely.
So last year, that's what we did. And going forward, we still want to create a platform whenever we can to afford an opportunity for our brothers and sisters in the diaspora to be part of that. We're selling fashion, we're selling music from Africa, but obviously everything that they do out there, we're also very interested.
Right.
Yeah.
Massive production. Well done.
Thank you.
The designers, we will take a look at the designers and you will see the best of Rhythms on the Runway.
Everybody checking my style, I gonna come for you. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, for you. Yeah, every day, I go there, I come for you.